Baby diaper sprayer for toilet attachment hand by Reage is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. B07J9LZSZLMAKE sure this fits. By entering your model number. Stainless steel plus brass. Newest and upgraded baby cloth diaper sprayer set for toilet, more convenient and practical. The manufacturer's T-valve with shut-off function only controls the water from the hose to the hand shower wand, not entire water supply to the toilet, which is not only more convenient but also more useful for your daily life. It is much different from common and old edition T-adapter, which controls total water supply. If you shut off common T-adapter, no water to tank either. Come with complete components for easy and simple installation without plumber help. The shower set includes handheld sprayer wand, flexible stainless steel hose, brass T-valve for water diverting, bracket and hook, and so on. 3. Multi-purpose, not only ideal for baby cloth diaper sprayer, but also suitable for handheld bidet sprayer to wash and clean. It can be used to rinse your toilet, floor, bowl, potty, etc. Multi-purpose, not only ideal for baby cloth diaper sprayer, but also suitable for handheld bidet sprayer to wash and clean. It can be used to rinse your toilet, floor, bowl, potty, etc. Universal and standard size, compatible with most of toilet in USA and Canada families. No need to purchase extra part for connection. No electricity or batteries required for operation. At 100% quality guarantee, 100% money back if dissatisfaction.